Hi everyone, thanks for popping in, watching my video today. The puzzle you just saw was this Ravensburger 1000 piece. That should have been hard, but it wasn't. Oh my gosh. I started this Thursday night. I got the pieces all out. Friday morning I worked on it an hour before I left. Then I worked on it Friday night while I watched a movie. Then Saturday and part of Sunday, it went fast. And the lady that gave it to me said it was hard. She couldn't believe when I texted her a picture how quick I finished. She couldn't believe I was done already. I know. I can't either. This one is harder than that one. This is the 21 missions. This is the one I stayed at before, San Luis Rey mission in Oceanside, California. It's in San Diego County. And yeah, I couldn't get the border together last night. Oh my gosh, it's mosaic and it all looks the same. I'm doing really good today considering, look how much I got done. So, yeah. Next thing I'm going to do is put some of the writing together. It's got the names and when they were founded. So, not too bad. It's a little hard, but it's been fun. I watched a really good movie earlier. I wish I could tell you what it was. It was a Lifetime movie. And it kept me on the edge of my seat, let me tell you. So, for you, it's going to be like that. For me, well, it's going to take a while. I don't know if I'll finish this today. I doubt it. I am going to watch another movie tonight. Maybe. If I don't catch the ball game. And I'm going to have to put the air on pretty soon. This is just not doing it, the ceiling fan right now. It was, but it is 90 degrees and humid. I hope you're all staying cool. Hope everything's going well in your neck of the woods. So for you, it's going to be like that. For me, it's going to take a while. So stay tuned and you will see the finished product. Me, well, yeah, well, yeah. So what I've been doing is setting out pieces where they go. Oregon, so this is going to go up at the top because Oregon is up at the top of California. There we go. And sometimes they go in. Oh. This is number 14. The 21 California missions. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Well, appreciate you hanging out and watching and stick around because you never know what's coming next. And I looked today, stop me, help me, help me, help me. Don't let me buy any more puzzles. I've got 18 puzzles in the closet to work. 18. So until I can get some of those worked, I don't need to buy any. And I woke up today and I said, it's Tuesday, it's senior day. I could go to the thrift store. And then I said, you've got a closet full of puzzles, girl. You do not need any more puzzles at the moment. So it's like, yeah. girl, stay home because it's hot out, it's humid, and yeah. I'm fine right here working a puzzle. All right, friends, I will see you all in the next video. Later. After a while, crocodile. See you later, alligator. Whatever it is. Whatever they used to say. Bye. Well, I guess this wasn't as hard as it seemed. I don't know, friends. Yeah. The 21 missions. Here it is, friends. Yeah. Now I gotta find another puzzle because I'm in here with my ceiling fan. It's hot out there. I had it going, but then I turned it off for a bit, and now I'm gonna put it back on because I'm getting hot again. I was getting a little bit cool. All right, well, that's it for the 21 missions of California. See you soon. Bye.